dear colleagues and friends of Lesson and Learning Studies. From November the 29th to December the 2nd, the World Association of Lesson Studies International Conference was to take place in Hong Kong and Macau. As a result of the pandemic, however, this amazing conference will be now online, and each conference day is dedicated to a different time zone. Time Zone 2, covering Africa, Europe, and the Middle East, will have its big day on November the 30th. I'm Claudia Niewald, a council member for WALS in Austria.
Hi everyone, I am David Sekao, a WALS council member from South Africa. In Time Zone 2, we are working closely with the organizers in Hong Kong and Macau to bring you a fantastic online conference with world-class keynote speakers, 2 open class lesson studies, and from Austria, and a high-profile program of practice and research into lesson and learning study.
Come and join us on November the 30th for 8 symposia, 58 papers, and 5 poster sessions.
Registration is now open. We are looking forward to seeing you at WALS 2221 online.
See you soon.
See you soon.